In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a stunning website from scratch with Wix Studio. To begin, you need to start a brand new project. Open Wix Studio, then click Create New Site. This is where you tell the platform that you want to build something from the beginning, rather than editing an existing site. Take a moment to notice that you are now in the starting area of the builder, where the options are designed to help you choose an editor and a starting path. Next, choose the editor that you will work with. Click Wix Harmony Editor. This will bring you into a more guided and modern editing experience, so you can design quickly while still having strong control over layout and visuals. When you click this, look for the interface to switch into the Harmony workflow, where it will feel more focused on building clean, professional pages. Now you will be asked how you want to start. Pick Let's Go or Skip Chat. If you choose Let's Go, the platform may use an onboarding flow to guide your setup. If you choose Skip Chat, you will move forward without that extra conversation step. Either option is fine, and your goal is simply to reach the point where you can enter details about your website. Choose the one that feels most comfortable, so you can keep your momentum. At this stage, you will enter a description of the website you want to create. Enter Create a stunning, modern, professional website from scratch with a beautiful design and responsive layout. You can think of this as a clear instruction to the system about the style and behavior you want. The important part here is that it should reflect what you want your visitors to experience, both visually and on different screen sizes. Responsive layout means the site will adapt nicely on phones, tablets, and desktops, which is essential for a modern website. After you type that instruction, you will be prompted to answer a set of questions based on your website. Answer the questions based on your website. These questions typically help define things like the site purpose, the general tone or style direction, and other preferences that affect how the first version of your site is generated. As you answer, be consistent and specific. The more accurate your choices are, the more likely the initial layout and design will match the kind of website you actually want to publish. Once all the questions are answered, you will be ready to generate your starting site. Click Generate. This is the moment where Wix Studio uses your inputs to create an initial website draft. While it is generating, give it a few seconds and do not rush. You are waiting for the platform to assemble pages, styling, and structure so you can begin reviewing and refining. When the site is done generating, you will have a foundation to work from. At that point, you can explore the layout and see how the design choices translate into real sections on the page. Since you entered guidance for a modern, professional look and responsive layout, pay attention to how elements appear across the site and whether the structure feels organized and clear. After you have a first draft in front of you, your next step is to review it and make adjustments if needed, but the core setup is already complete. The key takeaway is that you followed the workflow. You created a new site, selected Wix Harmony Editor, chose your starting option, entered your design intent, answered the setup questions, and generated the initial website. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.